Don't forget to do good and share with those in need. Hebrews chapter 13 verses 16. Abolo, hey, walabolo Jesu. Hello, beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. As you can hear from my voice, I am super excited to share with you one of my childhood favorite snack that is popularly known in Ghana as Abolo. It's a special way to steam your rice mixed with lots of ingredients that you need to stay tuned to find out. Okay, you can have this as snack, or of course you can pair it with this combo and it's absolutely delicious. Its fluffiness is just so good. Please stay tuned while we make this together. So what I like to do first is to wash about a quarter cup of rice, and I am going to soak it overnight. Okay, I will list every single ingredient with its right quantity down below in the description box. Okay, with this you can use any kind of rice that you prefer. I use the jasmine rice because that is what I have at home. This recipe is specially dedicated to my good old friend Queen Emefa. Now your recipe is out. I hope you let me be now. So to my soaked overnight rice, I have sugar, salt, instant dried yeast, that is 7 grams, and I also have my rice flour. It is about a cup of it, and I also have my cornflour, which looks so much alike. Okay, don't be confused. All right, so I'm going to wash my overnight soaked rice and I'm going to boil it for about 15 minutes. I just want it to be softening up, and we're going to take out all the gluten that this rice have. Okay, so while the rice is boiling, I'll go ahead and proof my yeast. In my bowl, I'll add about a cup of lukewarm water, my sugar, and my instant dried yeast. Okay, I'll mix everything together and allow it to proof for about 5 minutes. So about 10 minutes of boiling the rice, I think it's good. I'm going to go ahead and take it off before it turns to a motu, or some rice water. We are not doing any of that. So go ahead and strain off the water. I will also rinse it off with some cold water because I will be blending this rice. I just want to make sure that my blender can cope with the heat. Okay, I go ahead and add extra cold water to it and blend it until it is super smooth. Okay, please forgive my blender as I was doing lots and lots on that same day, so it's a bit discolored. Okay, so once we achieve that smoothness, I go ahead and add my rice flour, mix it well together. Everything is mixed well together. I go in with my cornmeal flour. Okay, so if you do not have cornmeal flour at home, you can also use cornstarch for this, because this is going to give it the form that it needs. All right, so that it just don't melt. All right, then I'll go ahead and add my water, the water that I proof my yeast in. This contains the sugar as well. All right, give it a good mix until everything is finely mixed well together, and the consistency that I got here was a bit watery. Went ahead and added the rest of the corn flour, and for the corn flour and the rice flour, they were the same amount. I used 1 cup each. Okay, it's not time for me to introduce my salt, and voila, our mixture or our batter is ready. I'm going to cover it for about 15 minutes. And it should be so done. I'm just going to prep my forms. I just use some muffin forms, and in that I place a little bit of banana leaves, and here is a video of how I am able to get all these leaves in Europe. Okay, so if you've not checked it out, I'll link it right here for you to watch. And our butter is becoming so foamy. Once it begins to form so much foam on top, you know that it is ready. Okay, it is ready to be steamed. This is all that you have to do. If you don't have a steamer like me, you go ahead and boil some water, and on top of the water you just put on your strainer or anything that can, you know, absorb the heat. All right, and you put your mixture in. Your abolo will be ready in 25 minutes. Allow it to steam so well. Okay, so while that is steaming, I'm going to get my Aborbitardi. So yes, the Aborbitardi goes so well with the Abolo. It's such a big combo. So please, my hours today, I am taking off the head of my abobi, and I'm also going to fry it so that you see that I don't consume raw abobi. Okay, the first time I air fried it and it went on camera, it's just looked very raw, but this time around I guess you all know that I fried it. Okay, peace. All right, so after 25 minutes, our abolo is so nice and fluffy. Oh my goodness, I wanted to have them all in my mouth at once. The way I love this thing, and the way I spent all my money on this in school days. Oh my goodness. Emifa, do you remember? All right, so we are done with our first batch. Straight away I just wanted to consume everything. Okay, so it's ready. So yes, you go ahead and steam everything until you are done with all the mixture. All right, also know that my Ivorians have something similar, and it's called Ablo. And if you have had this before, let me know in the comment section if I got it right or not. Okay. And yes, we are so done, and we're going to serve and enjoy. Kids love to enjoy this with some jam. They normally have it as snack, but of course me, I'm used to having this with pepper. Stew of choice. Thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I really appreciate your time. Please be sure to like, comment down below, let me know what you think about the recipe. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. So please be sure to subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.